because emotion forms energy, and that is why we make efforts on emotion and not on thoughts. और इमोशन से जब एनर्जी बनती है, यही एनर्जी से फिजिकल रियलिटी बनती है. That is what we have learned in the science also, right? So whenever we see a physical matter, that physical matter is nothing but an outcome of the energy. And where is this energy coming from? It is coming from the emotional field we are in. So if I'm feeling good, I certainly feel that the energy in and around me is positive. You go to a lot of people or places and you say, yaar, iski energy achhi nahi lagi. You don't know what's going in their mind. You don't know what's wrong with that place. You don't know what is happening. You may be completely unaware, but still you can feel it. Why? Because that energy, that emotion is making a strong energy field. इसलिए एनर्जी जल्दी में पकड़ में आ जाती है, हम उसको जल्दी ट्रैक कर सकते हैं. सो एनर्जी, इसलिए हम इमोशन पे काम करते हैं. व्हाई डू वी वर्क ऑन इमोशन? इमोशन क्रिएट्स एनर्जी, and energy creates physical reality. So if I want to change my physical reality, rather than working on thoughts, if I work on my emotion, my thoughts will automatically change. Can anytime happen? Can anytime have you seen, or it can happen anytime? I want to ask first this, that you're feeling good in your body, you're feeling extremely happy, but you are thinking negative. It would never happen. So whenever you are feeling good, automatically you will think positive. Or whenever you are not feeling good, even if you just say, oh, I'm feeling, I'm positive, I am love, I am a magnet, I am this, and you do affirmations, but you're not feeling good in your body, no matter how much you do, ultimately you will feel that you're feeling worse after doing that positive affirmations. Or even after reading a book or watching a motivational video, you may temporarily feel very good, and you think, okay, I'm thinking positive, and then you come back to what you were, or you can go worse than that. So why is that happening? Because you are forcibly working on your thoughts. You're not addressing what is the emotion, what is the energy inside you, and you're forcibly, no, I'm good, I'm thinking positive, my life is great, my life is great, everything is beautiful. So you are just trying to enforce things, and manifestation doesn't work that way. Manifestation is a very natural process. It's a very smooth and easy process. It says the moment you align and you get it. But if you're not aligning and you're doing all kind of forceful things, you will see that you will keep struggling and you will not go anywhere. That is why we are working on the emotions. So emotions make your energy, and energy make your physical reality. And if you want to change your physical reality, you need to change the energy. And if you want to change the energy, you need to drop or shed all your emotional poison and vibrate in or be in the positive emotions. All right. So everything in this world is energy. Anything that you want to convert into a physical reality, it can only happen with the help of energy. So first comes the energy and then comes the matter. So when I want to work on something or get something in my life, I should not be working on the matter. I have to work on the energy, because that energy only will ultimately produce that matter. So since everything is energy, my focus must be again on emotions and not on thoughts. I'm not saying that you should not be working on thoughts. I'm not saying that you don't do positive affirmations. I'm not saying that you don't um, uh, read books or watch motivational videos. What I'm trying to say is, whatever you are doing, make sure that you first work on your emotions. If you work on your emotions first, all that you do will support you, will add value to your journey, to your process. But if you are not working on your emotions and you do all other kind of hard work, you will not see the results. So we want to generate results, and if we want to get the results that we want, we must work on the emotions and not just thoughts, right? So that is what it is. Now, if I want to get something, I have to match the frequency of what I want to what I want to create. So for example, if I want wellness, I want complete wellness, or I want a certain kind of weight, right? If I want to lose weight, It's a positive outcome. All right. Now, if I want to lose weight, but I am not feeling good, I cannot accept myself, I am not loving myself, there's too much of hatred, anger, frustration, irritation inside going on, how am I going to get what I want? Because my vibration frequency is lower, my energy is negative, and I'm trying to get a goal which is vibrating at a higher frequency. We'll learn more on that. And if there is a huge gap between two, I will always see that there's struggle, because दोनों के बीच में गैप है. तो जब भी मैं ट्राई करूंगी उसको अचीव करने के लिए, there will be always a struggle. And that is why the first thing that I have to do is I have to raise my vibrational frequency of that with the goal that I want to manifest. The moment I reach to that vibration frequency, automatically I'll manifest it. It may happen in a minute, it may happen in an hour, it may happen in a week's time. So ये बहुत important है. Are you all getting? The goal that you want to manifest, a positive goal, is always at a higher vibration frequency. If you are emotionally weak, if you're not feeling good, if you are going through a lot of emotional trauma in your life and your energy is negative, so your vibration frequency, energy, they are going down. The moment it keeps going down and your goal is up, you will always find there's a huge gap and you will not be able to bridge this gap. If you're not able to bridge this gap, what is going to happen? You're going to find it very much painful, or you will find there's a lot of struggle to get what I want, or your manifestation will keep delaying. So what you have to do is you have to work on raising. और इसको रेस कैसे करेंगे? इसको रेस करने का तरीका है सेल्फ लव करना, अपने अंदर पॉजिटिव इमोशंस को इग्नाइट करना, एंड पैरेलली नेगेटिव इमोशंस को release karna. So there are two things parallelly that we'll work on. One, shedding our emotional poison. What are the emotional poison? Any negative emotion that we are experiencing in our body. Shedding that, and parallelly increasing or enhancing or igniting the state of manifestation. What is the state of manifestation? The state of resourcefulness. What is the state of resourcefulness? The state where you are feeling extremely good, happy, in love, in joy. When you are able to vibrate in that frequency, what will happen? It will go up, it will match with the goal, and then easily you will manifest what you want without any delay, without any struggle.